I've already made over $50 today on my brand new account just by watching YouTube videos, and you can earn up to $2.45 per minute doing the same. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so like this video and let's get started. First, go to YouTube and search for sound effects. You'll see countless videos with millions of views, some with over 60 or even 70 million. These are simple compilations of copyright-free sound effects like horror or comedy sounds, which creators use in their videos. Let me show you an example. This sound effects video was uploaded just 5 months ago and already has 700,000 plus views. The channel that posted it started just 7 months ago, has only 10 videos, but has already gained over 4,000 subscribers and 800,000 total views. Now, where do they get these sound effects? You can find them for free on Pixabay.com. Just select Sound Effects, search for a category like Whoosh Sound Effects, and you'll see tons of options. Choose the best 5 to 10 sounds and download them. These are completely copyright-free and can be used for YouTube videos. You can also find free background music from YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay. Just ensure the audio file has a YouTube Audio Library license and no attribution is required. This method works in almost every country, so anyone can do it. Comment your country name so I can make more location-specific videos in the future. Now, let's move on to the second step, setting up your YouTube video system. To start making money, you'll need to create similar sound effect compilation videos. Download sound effects from Pixabay, edit a simple compilation using free video editing software, and upload it to YouTube. But to get views, your video needs the right title, description, and tags. That's where TubeMagic comes in. It's an AI tool created by Matt Parr, a successful YouTuber, to help optimize YouTube videos. With TubeMagic, you can research video ideas, generate scripts, and optimize titles, descriptions, and tags to rank better. Just enter keywords like sound effects, and TubeMagic will generate high-ranking keywords, script ideas, and the best metadata for your video. I'll leave a free trial link for TubeMagic in the description and pinned comment. Now, let's talk about earning money from your videos. Once your video is uploaded, add a download link to the sound effects in the description. Instead of linking directly to Google Drive, use CPA Grip, a CPA, cost per action network where you earn whenever someone completes an action, like filling out a form. Create an account on cpagrip.com, go to Monetization Tools arrow URL File Lockers, and create a new locker. Paste your Google Drive folder link, change the text to Human Verification, and save. Copy the locked URL and paste it into your YouTube video description. Now, whenever someone clicks the link, they'll have to complete an offer, like a short survey, before downloading, and you'll earn $2 to $10 per person. To sum up, watch YouTube videos and find viral sound effect compilation ideas. Download copyright-free sound effects from Pixabay or YouTube Audio Library. Edit and upload your own sound effect compilation video. Use TubeMagic for SEO optimization. Upload sound effects to Google Drive, lock the link with CPA Grip, and earn $2 to $10 per download. Repeat this system with different sound effects, get more views, and start earning passively. If you want me to show proof of withdrawals, help me hit 4,000 likes on this video. Big thanks to TubeMagic for sponsoring. Grab your free trial from the description. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.